man, I've seen, like, I talked about it in my last video. I've seen chicks that come in with a black eye, complaining, and then, like, oh, he hates me, and everyone pities and passions and hugs her, and, like, oh, you know, poor you, kitty gloves and all that stuff, and then the next day she comes in with hickeys all over her neck, and they're all the chicks that were, like, giving her condolences were sitting there like, well, where'd you get those hickeys? They're like, well, and they think it's great. They love this roller coaster of bullcrap. And this is what I'm trying to say, dude. All right, what's going on? Salute, gentlemen. This video is just for you. Welcome to the channel. Throw me some love, and let's get into it. Guys, I'm just going to go ahead and bust it up, break the ice, and call it what it is. Man, these chicks don't care. These chicks don't care. And contrary to what some of these people are out here preaching, like, you know, women are emotionally bonded to every man they're with. This is complete and utter cap. I'm telling you, man, these chicks are able to detach and not give a damn about your ass. They don't care. I'm telling you, they don't care. So even though I'm making this video, you know, the good ones will watch this and maybe take some advice from it, but 90% of them, they don't care. Which means you're coming into contact with that 90% who doesn't care. So with that being said, like, a lot of guys have never been in this situation. I'm going to talk about this specifically, you know, before, of course I'm married now, but in that lull between my divorce, that 5-year period between my divorce in America and, you know, coming here to Thailand and out here dating and seeing what it is, I saw some shit that blew my mind. But man, when you have a chick that's direct with you, and a lot of these guys are out here preaching, wow, I want a woman just to tell me exactly what it is. I'm here to tell you, dude, no you don't. No you don't, because you can't handle the absolute truth from a woman. Most men can't. Most men can't, because it is brutal. And when you see what I'm about to run, I'm going to run a clip from a show on Netflix. OA, and what it is, I'm gonna be copyright, whatever, it's what it is. I'm not trying to steal anything. Listen, fair use as much as possible. Fair use. This is for educational purposes only, entertainment purposes only. This is a situation that most men have never been in, but this is something I've been in personally. When I've been, like, had a chick run out on my ass the next day, and she's packing her shit up. She's rolling up in drawers. Like, I'm like, where are you going? She's like, you know, I got stuff to do and whatever. But she's so brutally freaking honest. Most men are not used to this, and they're taken off guard. So with that being said, shout out Fair Use. I'll put the link in the description. The OA, you got to check this scene out. I'm telling you, dude.
Hey, don't go yet. It's early. Let's watch some stuff in bed.
Steve, you have a really nice body, and you smell good, but this isn't a thing. Steve, I don't have to tell you shit, and you don't have to tell me shit, okay? Let's just let fucking be fucking.
Look at that look on his face. He's like, what the hell just happened, bro? This chick is rolling up her drawers and she's kicking dust on me. Like, she's getting out. I'm not saying the deed was bad. Sometimes that could be the situation. Maybe that's the scenario. Maybe the deed was just horrific and she's ashamed and she's coming to her senses. But sometimes these chicks are just so detached, and it's so meaningless, and you realize how, oh God, like, all these dudes preaching like that women can't do this. It's garbage. Women absolutely are the masters of detachment, in my opinion. Like, men can detach. Yes, we can detach sex from feelings, but when a woman does, it's unfreaking believable. Like, they can do it on a whole different level that like that what men are not used to, like, even comprehending. You know, if you think about the animal world, you know, if, you know, the alpha comes in and takes out alpha number 1 and kills the babies, you know, she's going to make more babies with alpha number 2 that comes in. You know, I'm not saying that this is what women do. I'm just saying, like, honestly, women are very good at detaching, and men are not really giving, like, you know, a spotlight on this, like, and how important it is and how much it matters. They are completely detached. Like, dude, I had a chick come through doing this stuff to me, and I'm like, you know, I was like, hey, you know, you hungry? Like, she wake up, she roll out of bed, she's rolling up in drawers, and she's out, and I hear the front door slam before I'm even, like, getting on my boxers, and I'm out there, like, peeking out the window, and she's backing out the driveway. She's out, and she's texting me, I'll be right back. But she goes and gets me some stuff, and she brings it back, and she's like, I got shit to do. She doesn't tell me what she's got to do, but this is my point. I couldn't believe how detached this chick was. I felt like I was being punked. I was like, where the fuck, like, am I being punked? Is this chick like seriously telling me this? So with that being said, like, literally, look at the look on this dude's face. He's like, what the fuck just happened, bro? With that being said, obviously I know I'm gonna get a copyright strike. I'm praying that I don't, because I'm claiming fair use. I'm playing videos here. I'm giving all due credit where it is. But my man MTR just put out a video, Drizzle. MTR, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. I've been following this dude for 5 years at least. Amazing. This video is freaking hilarious. And I can't believe it has less than 100,000 views, which means it's being, like, pushed under the algorithm. So what I want to do is push it up there. This video is absolutely hilarious. And these chicks are stone cold, bro. But guess what? The dudes are adopting and adapting. So with that being said, let's do this.
Low down, dirty woman. Low down.
Here's a story.
Crane Lucas in the building.
Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle.
She belongs to the street.
Yeah, she bad for me. She say she too good for Cheesecake Factory. Told her go, digging ass. She not even worth Applebee's. Girl, you average at best. Got them tattoos on your breast. And you acting masculine. Equal rights, equal lefts. 3 or 4 on the gram, but want a man with 100 bands. You don't want that marriage. You just want that ring on your hand. I can't be your Superman. You delusional as hell. Talking about a real man, but you got a BBL. Oh, you strong and independent, huh? Got a business, huh? Selling sea moss gels and some healing crystals, huh? You a boss, B. You don't need no man to pay your way, yet you still gon' require him to make 100K. You can't make this up. Since you got the bag, then send me something. Need 400 for my sneakers and 200 for my lunch. In my soft guy era, that's what y'all be saying, huh? Same way it sound to you, exactly how it sound to us, yeah. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle.
She belongs to the street.
Girl, don't hold my hand. You a mattress actress on the OnlyFans. Get your money, girl, but damn, how is that your only plan? What you gonna do when you get too old to strip and dance? Get up out your echo chamber, screaming period and yes. You a low down dirty woman if you try to get knocked up by a high value man. Just just to leave with half his stuff. Treating kids like insurance, child support like scratch and sniff. Before I ever let you trap me, I'ma tell you, pack your ish. You is ratchet as they come. Rainbow weaves and batwing lashes, weighing more than a man. What time is your football practice? I bet you can hit that A gift like a mug. How you big back it? Said a man must buy you gifts. Where here goes a Fitbit tracker. Are you mad? Cause you got 3 kids by 4 different dads. You pick cookies, then you bash. Oh man, when you get sad, then you brainwash the kids when the relationship fails. Then you lie on that man and got him locked up in jail.
Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh, drizzle, 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 drizzle.
She belongs to the street.
Here's a story about a man coming in. Here's a story about a man coming in. Here's a story about a man coming in.
Mediocre, man, he's really come up. I've been following this dude since he had the sheet in the background. Like, I remember them days. Like, he's legit. So with that being said, hey dude, that is an awesome fucking video. Salute to you, man, for real. But guys, if you're like paying attention, man, like for real, these chicks are detached. They're dating detached. They're searching detached. They're fishing detached. And they're really, like, honestly understand that women are out here maneuvering in society. And when you come across them, they are already detached. They already assume that you're not a good dude. They already assume that you're cheating. They already assume that you've got 20 other chicks because they've got 20 other dinglings in their phone. And a lot of them never give that up. They'll keep that side shit going on for a long time. And this doesn't matter where you go in the world. Yeah, it's toned down a little bit here, but man, it's still going on, man. This shit's still popping off over here in Thailand, man. I'm telling you, man, man, they ain't loyal. Some of them are, but man, I've seen, like, I talked about it in my last video. I've seen chicks that come in with a black eye, complaining, and then like, oh, he hates me, and everyone pities and passions and hugs her and like, oh, you know, poor you, kitty gloves and all that stuff. And then the next day she comes in with hickeys all over her neck, and they're all the chicks that were like giving her condolences were sitting there like, well, where'd you get those hickeys? Like, well, and they think it's great. They love this roller coaster of bullcrap. And this is what I'm trying to say, dude. You have to understand what you're dealing with out here. You're dealing with something that you're not being taught how to deal with. I'm not saying that women can't pair bond or be emotionally bonded with a man. That's not what but I'm telling you, women are very capable of completely detaching emotionally from what they're doing out here in these streets. They're not even taking it in, bro. They're literally going home like it didn't happen. It never happened. Like yesterday didn't happen. For real. Seriously. And a lot of times if they've been out here long enough doing that shit and then some dude comes and wipes them up, yeah, you know, all of a sudden, this is what you're dealing with. Spying on her binoculars from the damn bushes. And she belongs to the damn streets. And you never understood it. Like, this is why a lot of dudes, like, the best advice, like, a lot of dudes are talking about this, but a lot of dudes are not really stressing this. Like, stop thinking with the damn little head, man. If you are controlled by, like bedroom time, you're a fool. You're a fool. The best bedroom time you're going to get from a chick is not going to be freaking wifey material, dude. I'm sorry. It's just not. And the same thing for women. The best like dingling the best D she's ever had or she's ever gonna get is not husband material. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is the God's honest truth. We're both doing this. Both genders are doing this. It's wrong. It's just as damn unhealthy for men to go out here and sleep around. Like, for a lot of dudes say, like, go out here and, like, rack up rosters, a bunch of chicks. Like, get the fuck out of here, man, for real. This is, like, completely ridiculous. Like, honestly, unless you want to be single, like, if you want to be a 304 as a man, cool. But you're going to accept that banner around your neck, and you're going to wear it forever, just like a woman is. Like, if a woman goes out here and she's a 304, but she's honest, like the chick in the first video I talked about, but I respect this chick. I still gonna be like side-eyeing, like, did she just say this shit to me? Like, I'm out rolling up in drawers, like, she's out here, like, is she like ghosting my ass? Like, this is my point. If that's what she is, if that's like, but she's honest about it and she understands the implications, cool. I respect that, for real. I will not disrespect this woman. But a woman who's trying to lie about what she is and who she is, that's what I have a problem with. And same thing with dudes. There's a lot of dudes out here that are lying about who the fuck they are. Like, well, I want, either one woman or, they're looking for this and that. But the thing is like, dudes are looking for that explosive number 10 bedroom time. But the thing is the chick that gives you that is not wifey. It's just not. And it's the same thing, ladies. Like, you know how hard that is to admit. The best boom boom comes from non-wifey material or non-husband material. Let's just be honest. But that doesn't mean anything. In the end, you're still left broken and desolate and desperate and lacking. You've gained nothing. So with that being said, I love y'all for real. Let me know what you think about this video. Like, as I said, everyone's delusional, but dudes are not being taught everything. But listen, sleeping around is wrong for both genders. It's wrong. There are massive psychological implications that come with this. Attachments, children, shit like that, court situations, and who knows, like, you know what I'm talking about. So think hard, think long, understand this. Let me know what you think. I love y'all. I'm signing out of here, man. I'm out of here, bro.